I'm Emma.
I'm Sarah.
We work for the Georgia Pacific Quarry. I run the 972 loader, loading 10 to 11 tons into the semis that then take the gypsum to the plant.
And I drive a 45-ton haul truck. Even some of my family doesn't even know I drive heavy equipment. They're like, no way, you're a girl. I'm like, well, girls can do guys' jobs all the time.
Oh, you're getting rocked right now, right?
Yeah.
When I first started out here, I was 22 years old and definitely was not what people expected as a heavy equipment operator. But we were only producing around 12 to 1,400 tons a day, and I jumped it up to around 2,000 to 2,500 a day.
I think women face criticism in this industry because men have been doing this for years and years and years, but I pushed through it and I showed them that I could do better than some of the guys I worked with and proved a lot of them wrong.
They add a bunch of value in that their look on things is always different than the rest of the group. Attention to detail, safety, and how we're communicating things. It makes the group a lot stronger.
I'm able to balance work and being a mom with Georgia Pacific being really flexible and allowing me that time with my family.
I love working for Georgia Pacific. I learn something new every day. I get along with my coworkers. It's my dream job.